Hey guys, I'm Tech, and today I'm gonna give you a partial tour of my new workshop office space that I have and I've been using for a little bit, but I haven't been showing off because it was a mess. I got it slightly in order now. Still a work in progress, but here it is. So here it is. This is my workspace. As you can see here, it's quite a mess still. I'm still organizing, so you give me a break. Even though I have been in this space for quite a while, it's still a mess. And for reason that I have been trying to do some work onto the walls, but as you can see, it's quite a raw space. So this is about 700 square feet, give or take. And I divided this into two sections with partition panels, sort of. And of course, I got my office workshop space here in half of it, and the second half is, of course, storage, which I keep my merchandise, boxes, all that kind of stuff. So let's get to my off desk really quick. So I got my printers, my computers, including one PC, one Mac. I got my TV for testing stuff. I got my testing bench here. So I got like mouses, all that kind of stuff, cables here. I got my eBay, Amazon station here. So I list everything from here, taking photos, all stuff. I got some custom made boxes. Well, I actually made them out of cardboard, and they do great. 3 100-watt lights here. Really produce a nice workflow. Here I got my workbench, which of course is not a workbench right now because I got tons of crap on it, including under it. I just did this wall here, so this is gonna be my new background for YouTube. My computer bench, which isn't really a bench because it's still full of crap. So that's work in progress. I got this area I probably saw already. This is my Husky workbench that you've seen in one of my videos, or maybe two. And my bike in the back. So you will see this bench again. I'll probably be using it. I just got to come up with some kind of background for this area. And this is pretty much it. So if you guys want to see more regarding this office, and so I can go details of what I have and why I organize it in a certain way, and of course all the work in progress that I'm going to be still doing to the space, let me know in the comments below. And as you can see, it's nice and bright now. That's because I have 4 LED lights, shop lights that I installed in this place, and trust me, it made a huge difference. So if I even turn off one of them, the place gets a lot darker. And if I turn off the second one, it really goes dark. And of course I got a remote for that right here. So I got my lights here. Right now, some of them are not programmed yet, but this is work in progress. So I'm gonna control all the LED lights with this remote. This is from Zap. If you guys haven't seen it before, I'll have a link in it below in the description if you're interested. They're actually quite cheap, so that's why I like them. And you can connect anything with a contact, and the sort of little boxes like this that you connect your light to, and you're golden. So if you want to see details on any of those stations I made, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do that. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, click like, and let me know if you want to see more of my office.